Al-Qaeda with joining the Cub Scouts, and it says in the Cub Scouts they teach you how to rub two sticks together to get a match. Joining Al-Qaeda, we teach you how to drive tanks and run flamethrowers. And then at the bottom, did you see what the footer said? Al-Qaeda is an international organization specializing in terror. Where the hell do they think they are?
BYO AK-47.
Oh no, I believe that the ad said those were provided, so I think you need to do more filtering.
I'll have to tweak that ad then. That's actually my own ad for my training camp here.
Oh, okay. Hopefully Beto O'Rourke is listening.
He's the guy that wants to confiscate everybody's ARs, right?
And he's from Texas. I sure don't want to be him.
How's that going to work? I have no words for that. There are so many ARs out there. I mean, heck, I've got 4 in my basement, I'm not going to lie. And all my friends and neighbors know it, so why not say it on the radio? I'm not going to be stupid. No, the whole thing, I mean, it's really ridiculous. It's like we all don't live in the city where a police officer can respond in a minute and a half. And is an AR going to be my go-to self-defense weapon? No, of course not. It's not reasonable to use inside a house. They're